Welcome guys back. Welcome back to another beautiful day. We are still in sprint 0 and this is day 4. So what are we going to be doing today? Today, I want us to measure our goal. And I want you to really think through your goal to see whether your goal can actually be achieved in 12 weeks. By now, you've written out all your tactics, you've written out your strategy, and based on the things you've written down, I'm sure you can begin to imagine, is this goal too big? Can this be achieved in 12 weeks? If yes, perfect. If no, I want you to see and think through ways that you can further break down that goal. Now, for example, let's assume that you're trying to lose weight and you want to lose some pounds, or you're trying to gain weight and you want to gain some pounds, right? You saying that you want to lose 60 pounds in 12 weeks might be a stretch. So rather than try to lose 60 pounds, why don't you break it down to 30 or 20 or even 15, right? When it comes to setting goals, it's not all about, how big that goal is. The important thing is in the execution. Are we able to actually accomplish this goal? So it's very important that we pick goals that we're confident that we can achieve over the next couple of weeks. And in this situation, it's the 12-week challenge. 12 weeks might look like a long time, but it's really not a long time. It's 12 weeks, 3 months, 12 weeks. Before you know it, 12 weeks is here and done. So please, measure that goal. If it's too big, please break it down. I want you to ensure that your goals are smart. So I want you to use, this tactic. Is your goal specific? Is your goal measurable? Can I measure this goal? Can I achieve this goal? 12 weeks is all I've got. Can I achieve this goal in 12 weeks? Is my goal realistic? Because 12 weeks is all I've got, right? And obviously it's time bound because 12 weeks is what we have. So I want you to measure your goal. Ensure that your goals are smart. You need to be able to measure it so that at the end of 12 weeks, we need to know, did we achieve our goal? Yes or no? What can we do differently? So it has to be measurable. So please, today's goal is for you to measure your goal to ensure that it's realistic. It can be achieved in 12 weeks and you are confident that you can get it done. So go ahead and do that today and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.